Hi, welcome here. Today I would like to speak about oneness. How to dissolve this sense of separation with everything. How to recognize the oneness among all things that exist. So, because it's nice, to know it theoretically, but how to truly live it, how to recognize this deep truth. So first of all, you have to recognize, to remember what you truly are first, initially. You cannot recognize the essence among all things if you don't know yourself first. And so first of all, what are you? This is the ultimate question. What are we beyond all labels, beyond the story of me, beyond any commentary, any narrative, any thought in the mind? What are we beyond this physical body, this form, this vehicle, you see? So that's the question. Who are we if you are not a story? Who are we if you are not the past and the future, which are pure illusion, if you truly remain now, you see? So that's the question. So when you are able, I would say, to answer this question, which the answer is not from the mind, of course. The question is from mind, but the answer is not from it. So I love this phrase, the non-answer is the answer. So you have to first remember what you truly are, you see. So we are here, we are aware, and in truth, if you truly remain now, we don't know anything. I don't know anything, I'm just here, aware. And right now, this is the only thing that truly exists, and this is exactly the same for you. If you deeply remain now without mind, and if you stop believing your mind because mind is lying to you, see? If you deeply remain now, you slow down everything, you are just here, without knowing, in the, I would say, complete unknown. Even your name, even your origin, nationality, they are concepts, they are labels, you see. This is not truly you. Can you feel this? Does this resonate with you? I know that it resonates with you, of course. Not for your mind, but here, in your heart. It does resonate with you. So, what are you? That's the question. Of course, if you think you are a person, if you think you are a story, if you believe your thought for real, you will never recognize what I have been sharing. You will never recognize this oneness with all things. So if you profoundly want this, you have to slow down and relax and discern what is true from what is false, you see. You have to discern the true from the false. So what is permanent in the experience at this right moment? What doesn't change is you. Because you can see mind is changing all the time, you see. Mood is changing, this physical body is changing. But there is something that is watching this, that is watching all the changing from the stillness, from the unchanging, you see. And this is you, this is us, you see. So when you live from that, we all live from that, but when you when you recognize that there is no a me, there is no you as a separate being, all of this kind of concept literally falls away, you see. You simply notice that there is There's always been this presence. And so again, when the separate you, the separate being, this illusory concept about what we are, when this drops, when this falls away, there is just this presence. And of course, if you believe that you are this person, if you truly believe that you have this sense of identity, now I am a person because I am here and I can see others, again, you will never recognize the oneness. You will never tap into this reality, you see. So again, you have to stop somehow believing your mind and notice what is simply here. So the question is, I am separate from everything if I realize what I am in essence? Of course not. Because the essence, we cannot divide this essence. You see, this essence is the source of everything. And of course, first you know it, theoretically, but it's not a concept, it's reality. So I'm going to try to explain something that is beyond forms, beyond any explanation. So of course I will not success to this, but I will try. I will do my best to explain this, you see, from my heart. So, in the direct experience, I am just here and I don't exist as a form. There is just this because even my face is, even right now I don't see my body, you see. So my body and even my face is a thought in the direct experience. So try to feel what I am saying. There is just this visual field of being. And nothing exists except this. There is just this. There is no Tony, because if I think about Tony, it's a thought from past. There is just this. There is just this. And this is reality, see? And when you tap into this reality, this presence, which is unbounded, infinite, you see. There is no limit, yeah. There is something that knows that I am here. It's completely aware. But it's beyond this form, you see, it's infinite. It goes beyond this physical form. Because if you close your eyes right now, you cannot feel the contours of your body, you see. It goes beyond. And this is everywhere, everywhere. I am as much there than here, you see. I am everywhere, everywhere. So, as in the direct experience, how could I explain this? As I am everywhere, you see, as there is no limit to what I am as much here in the mountain than here in the house, here in the room, in this living room, here in the lamp, here in this bowl, you see, it's everywhere. And in direct experience, as there is no me here, there is just this. So even this bowl, this Tibetan bowl, appear within this field of being. So there is no separation, you see. It's like this whole world is appearing into being. So it's like there is just present, just this, just consciousness, you see. And everything, even the camera in front of me, is appearing within this. And as there is only one source, of course, first, initially I knew it, very difficult word to pronounce, theoretically. But during deep meditation, I realized that no, everything is just this. everything. So it's not a concept that I learned from books, of course, yes, first, but it's realized here, you see. It's realized. So if I could suggest one thing, it's don't seek this this oneness first. First, seek to remember, just remember what you are. It's not something that you are going to add to yourself. You won't become, you won't become a spiritual being higher than others. This is spiritual ego, but simply remember what you have always been, you see, before the ego somehow involve or add labels on it, you see. This is all mind construction, you see. So simply remember what you are right now, at this one moment, you see, right now. Just this. There is just this. And this has no limit. It's just here, open. And this doesn't know anything. Mind thinks it knows, you see. But the heart deeply knows. It's not from mind, but it knows. It knows. And this end of separation, the world, we are in a process we can see more and more tension in this world, more and more violence and wars, and that's totally normal right now because this world is in a process of awakening. We can see more and more person wake up from this dream of being a person, and yeah, people are waking up from this dream more and more. So we have to trust in this. So there will be more and more tension, but that's completely normal in a level, you see. So just trust this process. And I truly don't know what I wanted to say. It happens a lot after awakening. As we live literally just right now without mind, we're just here, and sometimes I'll somehow lose the the way. You get it. But what was the point of this? I truly don't know. So I come back. Yes, I know the point of this. I had to rewatch the video. So the end of separation is what will stop all the conflict in this world. So this is awakening, you see. Just wake up from the dream of separation and just remember what we deeply are. Because when we recognize, when I see myself, not as a person, not as a personal being, but when I recognize this and I see this everywhere, this is love, this is true love. And how could I cause harm to others around me if I simply realized what I am, you see? If I realized the oneness among all things. So again, this is not something that you can understand with the mind. Of course you can try, but you will never, you can understand this with mind, but you will never realize from the level of mind. We have to descend to the heart. So of course it's a metaphor. And it's truly simpler than you may think. So again, it's just this. This moment is the only thing that exists, and it's you right now, you see. So if you truly think that you are someone, your mind is lying to you. It's lying to you, you see. So the question is, what is no mind? And what is no mind is unbounded. It's you, it's us, it's everywhere. It's love, it's joy, it's peace, it's something quiet, it's silent, it's beauty. Even in the midst of challenges, it's always here. Always here to rest, you see. Always here. Even in the midst of sorrow, sadness, anger, it's here. Always here. Much love.